recording. Paalis na kami. Diba, Rika,
Yes.
Just casual recording lang. Baka magamit. Sound checking. Car nga, yung car muna. Dito kami kanila Jeggy. Tara, let's go guys! We're here inside the car.
Nakakahiya na nakabukas
Let's
yung ano.
go!
Ha?
Kaya mo ba?
Kaya.
Reversing. Baka madali mo eh.
Hindi.
Diretso mo na lang, diretso mo muna.
Sige.
Titingin ka dito sa left side mo. Kasi isasagad mo sa left side mo. Wala ka nang
Oh
pakalam
my
sa
God,
right side mo. Kasi
naulan. Yan, gitna.
Hindi, meron kasi dito
Tapos,
eh.
Gitna na yan.
May iba to ha.
ay, mas maganda nga sa ganito kasi natututok ka sa masikip.
Oh, ang boy ano nangyari sa'yo? Uy, wait, tumaas ka.
Okay lang yan, guys. Nakali-
Okay, we're going to... Saan tayo punta?
Hi, everyone!
Sabog yan.
Hello!
Welcome to our...
Ano nga yung title?
Walang sumunod.
Wala tayong... Ano title natin?
Okay, so,
Yun
para
nga,
naisip. Para naisip
naisip
yung
lang natin mag-podcast kasi matagal naman natin isip or
Ano?
recently lang.
2 weeks ago.
Recently lang kasi nga parang nasasayangan tayo sa mga
Magagandang stories
convo
na
natin.
sinashare.
Ba't natin naisip to?
Ang
Hindi ba,
chill kasi,
interesting
diba?
kasi na marinig yung mga stories.
Stories ng
mga,
iba.
mga alam natin na stories, hindi man tungkol sa atin.
Chismis, charot.
Chismis.
Saka gusto lang natin i-share yung mga fulfillment natin,
Pwede
every
din,
step of the
oo.
way.
So basically,
Para memories.
itong podcast na to, hindi siya sobrang linear na ito ang tukulan dito. So kung anong gusto namin gawin sa podcast na to, gagawin namin.
Kung paano lang tayo mag-usap, ganun lang yun.
Yeah.
So habang nasa stoplight kami.
Neto, nag-iisip kami ng topic.
Ay, may video nga pala na wala sa
Ayaw ka!
Hi!
Tingin pa ako
We're
ng
making
ano.
a podcast, not carpool. Ang difference lang nito sa other podcast is nagda-drive tayo.
Oo.
Right? Kaya nga ang title ay...
Drive and dive!
So mamaya may swimming pool na dito.
Sabay sa title. Hindi pa
Okay.
tayo nagpapakilala kasi.
Umpisa sa driver.
Yeah.
What?
Introduce yourself. Hindi to job interview.
I'm the driver, walang pangalan.
Ay, wow!
Anonymous.
Tarantino.
Oh, di mo ka.
Ano naman?
May tayo
Pangalan ko
naman.
ay
Like
Ham.
safe space siya.
Yun, hello.
Okay. Okay,
Oh.
Ham! Ham is my brother.
You can call me AB din.
Okay, ako si Ara. Ang awkward, bakit itong
Kaya nga.
Kaya,
Hi! Paintro si ate be.
Jacob.
Maliit lang po ako.
Ano
I'm
po siya
Jacob
doon?
po. Yan. I'm Jegs.
Ay, cringe. Super
Ang cringe, diba? Ang cringe kaya. Hey,
Kaya
Ara.
yung name natin, tapos yung kung age, tapos...
Ano to?
Ay, wag na age.
ano to?
Huwag na age. Age is ano?
Ganito.
May
Hi,
dating,
I'm
ano?
Jegs. I
dating
have
app
been
pala
a
to.
store manager for about 6
Ay!
Job interview.
If you're bored, listen
Ayun,
and watch
pangalan ko,
us.
sige to, go lang. Yun, ganun.
Go, Te.
Ako si Regalado Valdez.
Oh my
Super.
You can call him
Regalado.
Jeggy. Yan si Jeggy.
Jeggy na lang.
Jeggy, ang ganda kasi. Hindi ko alam ba't Jeggy yan. True.
Same.
Si ate na.
Ate girl.
Hi, my name is Rika.
Beauty pageant?
Dapat Louis girl.
Luis, ang ganda ng Luis.
nga.
Yeah, she's
Nga.
Luis but we call her Rika.
Oo. So, actually, bago ang lahat, magpipinsan kami.
Yun, may sasabihin!
So, ito na, nag-decide kami na mag-start kami ng podcast namin.
Yeah, legit.
Ay, maganda yun. As ano? Cousins. Tapos parang, uy! Diba? Uy!
Tapos, so na kayong mag-dive in sa
Saan?
much more of our
Drive and dive!
personality side.
Mamaya may pool.
So, kailangan
So,
niyo na
insert
kami.
graphic,
Recitation.
May makikinig nito tapos nakikringe sila. Okay lang yun.
Okay lang makrish
Yes,
ka,
sabi-
wala kaming pakay.
Then, meron nga ako nabasa
Wala
parang,
kaming
Bakit?
sabi nga nila, own your cringe. Dynamic lang nung relationship namin. Kasi sobrang, yun nga, yung sharing ng ano namin.
Hindi, kwento natin yung
Yung thoughts
paano
and
tayo
stuff.
nag-reconnect ulit.
Oo.
Kasi talagang, yun nga, from
Ano?
the past, parang hindi naman sa tayo
Hindi,
super
hindi
close.
tayo sobrang,
Close.
hindi tayo sobrang, hindi
Sobra.
tayo sobrang din nagpapansinan, pero
Hindi tayo,
Hindi tayo ganito.
hindi
Oo.
close.
yeah.
Di ba?
Hindi, close tayo pero hindi tayo yung sobrang nagsasama na...
Feeling ko hindi tayo close.
Hindi pa tayo nag-uusap into the deeper
Oh my
level.
God.
Hindi pa tayo nagda-dive.
Wala.
Oo.
Okay, wait. Nag-stop tayo.
Nag-stop kasi ay, sorry.
Ay.
Tapos naka-timelapse pala yung video.
Ay, te, baka hindi naka-on yan. So, ano yung pinag-uusapan natin yung sa close? Hindi tayo close dati. Feeling ko hindi tayo close talaga.
Permission number.
Actually, hindi naman talaga.
Parang ano
Kasi,
lang.
meron tayong ibang pananaw kasi sa buhay eh. Actually, kami kasi ni Jeggy Boy, more of a YOLO kid kami. Parang sobrang...
Kasi kami, more on,
Hindi, parang
Studies?
hindi ko na ano yun. Parang hindi ko na ano yung...
Super extrovert namin as in.
May differences tayo, pero hindi nga tayo lumaki na... You know, hindi tayo masyado nagkikita, ganyan. Nagkikita tayo for family gathering, ganyan.
Hindi pa nga.
Hindi pa nga eh, di ba? Wala na nga yun eh. Pero, yun, sobrang thankful ako. Hindi, ito yung talagang yung impactful sa akin. Yung, sino nagsabi nun na nagkikita na tayo pag may death?
Ako nagsasabi
Ikaw ba yung nagsabi?
Tapos parang
Grabe.
naging eye-opener sa atin yun na
Sobra.
parang
Walang
masama mag-reconnect.
Sobra
Wala.
talaga yun. Yung parang napapasin natin. Namatay yung isa namin pinsan. Sobrang sakit sa amin noon. Tapos,
Sobra.
every time na, yun nga, nakikita lang pag may namatay na family member, gano'n. Kaya sobrang, nagtataka lang ako, bakit gano'n?
Kaya nga.
Nakakaingit kasi yung iba na families na, yun nga, kahit walang nagre-reconnect pa din sila kahit wala, trip lang nila. Eh kami, every death, meron talaga. Grabe.
Parang
Sobrang
recently lang
depressing.
natin na-realize
Sobrang
yun.
depressing.
Saka ito
talaga.
yung gusto naming i-goal ngayon sa future namin na hindi namin gagawin yung mga dating nagawa ng mga pamilya namin.
Tama.
So, ito na yung
So, malalaman nyo yun. Malalaman nyo yun sa next episode.
So, true. At saka,
Like and subscribe.
magiging na kayo. Makakasama namin kayo sa
Diving.
journey namin.
Yeah.
Magda-dive na kami soon.
Mag-dive sa stories.
Yep.
Yes. So,
Not
drive and
literally.
dive.
Drive and dive, baby.
So, exciting. Exciting siya.
Ah,
So, yun. Chill lang siya na podcast. So,
Sa podcast, kaya manood kayo para
you
maraming
have to
pera.
listen. Listen to us. Pero kung yun, gusto niyo mga relatable stories sa family or
Ay,
anything.
iba-iba. Yung sa pinagdaanan namin.
Walang dito, hindi naman kami
Super,
Super
kami,
open naman sa lahat.
Sa lahat.
Comment down below.
YouTube ba
Yun nga, ano yung mga, kasi ganito yan, ano yung mga
Why
fears
not,
nyo
Influencer.
before starting this podcast? Like, ano yung fear? Kasi ako, ayoko mag-podcast or anything na live or yung may coverage ako. Like, behind the scenes lang talaga ako mostly eh. Ano kasi, ayokong i-publicize yung thoughts
Kami
ko.
din.
Yun talaga yun.
Oo, kami. Kasi parang, ewan ko, nakakahiya. Parang, ewan ko.
Ano sa tingin nyo?
Ako personally, ayoko ng boses ko na naririnig sa mic.
Talo na ako. Ako din. Pag narinig yung boss ko, parang, ganun.
Parang boses kikiam.
Akala ko, Blip sound
Blip.
insert!
Blip.
Sa akin naman siguro, ayoko ng failure, yung mga bad comments.
So, bashing. Yung bashing.
So, nagkaka-anxiety
sobrang
ka pag
anxiety
nagkakaroon-
pagdating sa mga gano'n. Kasi people pleaser ako.
Tama!
That's my red
Yes.
flag.
Ano na,
That's my
admit natin
toxic
yan.
trait.
So,
Super people pleaser.
we're here.
admit natin yan, yung mga flaws natin.
Pero hindi ako ganito dati.
Of course, no
Ako
bashing.
pala na. Paano
Hindi,
na-
kung may bash nyo kami, feel free. Siyempre, kasi we don't care.
True,
Ay, naku,
opinion nyo yan eh.
Kaya nga.
Okay, we're
O,
here.
Jacob, ikaw.
Kwento niyo yun eh.
Kwento nyo.
Ano masabi mo, Jacob?
Buhay nyo yan eh.
Ako naki-cringe lang talaga ako.
Bakit
Yun
cringe?
lang yung, ewan ko kasi,
Bata man eh, nag-cringe naman eh.
hindi ko rin gets kasi ang cringe talaga pag starting ka, ganon. Parang,
Pero
ganon.
ang kagandahan lang naman, ang advantage natin kasi magpipinsan tayo.
So,
So,
walang
Kung
iya.
comfortable tayo
yes,
sa
comfortable tayo sa isa't isa, tapos hindi tayo judgmental towards each other.
Yeah.
Hindi, yun nga yung dapat natin ma-overcome. Yung cringy face, tsaka ano.
True.
Ayun nga, di ba? Parang
Clear na.
i-workout
Kasi,
natin
oo,
yung sarili
Yung confidence
natin.
natin, i-workout natin yan.
Hindi,
So,
basta parang yung tingnan.
Magwa-warm up na tayo.
Ang corny nila.
Oh my God,
cringe
natin
nila.
sila.
Naman sila.
Hello.
Hi, bitches!
Hello sa mga nakatingin.
Hi! This is
Hello.
our podcast. Okay, magpa-park na lang muna.
Ay,
Parang gusto ko lang na
Sharing
may
my thoughts lang,
something
ganun.
na may
Dito ba? Dito?
makukuha
Oo.
yung
Hindi ko
ibang
makita.
tao.
Oo,
Pero
parang
gusto ko
yun.
talaga i-manifest na soon.
Kasi talaga nasasayangan ako pag nag-uusap tayo.
Kasi ang ganda
May
ng
sense
mga...
kasi,
Oo.
ano, diba?
Oh, wait,
Ang ganda ng
party.
mga nakukuha natin sa isa't isa.
Oo.
Di ba?
Yes,
Hindi
parang,
Hindi ka-
wow!
Hindi kaya,
Hindi
hindi
ka.
kaya, sorry.
Pasok ka dyan na una. Ayun yung tapat ng ano.
Ay, mabangga mo to ha.
Oo.
Sorry, I'm a mother. I'm mothering my brother.
Very
Op,
mothering.
op, op, op.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
So, yun. Nakalabas na kami.
Ito na nga kami. At
The usual na tambay sa SLEX.
Nakalabas na kami
Road
ng
trip.
sasakyan.
Lex mo.
At eto na, let's get into it sa
Reddit stories.
r/family issues.
Ayun.
Okay.
Saan yun?
Wala akong idea
title
dyan.
ay I might have caught my cousin molesting his sister.
Ew.
Controversial agad.
So earlier today, I was asked to watch my cousins, male 10 years old and female 3 years old, in the morning. Usually when I babysit, I let my cousin, I call him Jim,
Okay.
take charge. He usually helps his mom around the house and is generally responsible. So I had no issues with letting him. They stayed in the room down the hall while my brother and I hung out in the living room. I had stayed up the previous night till 2 and because of that, I kept dozing off on the couch.
Okay.
I know I'm a terrible babysitter.
Visitor.
Every once in a while, my younger cousin, I call her Sarah, the
Hi,
3 years
Sarah.
old, would yelp or make a loud noise.
Ilan
This
taon?
is
Ilan taon?
3.
Ay,
3 years old. Yeah.
Three? Okay.
This is normal for her since she is a very energetic kid. Siyempre, toddler, ganyan.
Ah, toddler.
Okay. The last time I was dozing off, I heard her yell a little unusual. When I went to go check on them, I guess I was quiet enough to not be noticed because Jim was hovering over
Ano
Sarah.
ibig sabihin nun?
Hovering, parang, you know,
May
hovering.
action, ganun, may action.
Nakita niya, hovering over Sarah. The only way I can describe it is Sarah giggling while being pinned down by her older brother, Jim.
Oh my God.
He was somewhat straddling her.
Struggling.
I'm sorry if I'm over-explaining. I'm not even sure if it was what I saw. Immediately, I asked what he was doing and to get off of her. He mumbled something and moved off. I called Sarah over. I'm not sure if I was overreacting. I don't think I handled it well since I told him not to be weird and left with her. I'm not sure if it's normal to them since they have somewhat different culture than I do. I've even seen them mouth kiss. Once while Sarah was sitting on his lap, and it was excused. I know it could be seen as normal. Kasi sometimes, kasi di ba pag sa magkapatid, parang baby sister kiss. Kasi ako kahit sa mga
gets,
pamangkin
gets.
ko, yung asawa,
Yung siya, is yung parang ano talaga, love mo.
kasi yung kapatid ng asawa ko, nakis kay Talia yun.
Oo.
Ano ba, kumbaga, tito niya.
Aliyah, her ano,
Oo.
Dota.
So, I know it could be seen as normal, but I feel like he knows what he's doing. I've heard him talk about sex with his father, so I'm sure of it. Grabe, 10 years old, iaano mo na agad sa sexual. Di ba parang masyado maaga
Sad
naman yun?
naman.
Maaga, hindi siya parang masyado talaga maaga
for
para
child.
expose mo yung 10 years old.
Child kasi.
Kahit na babae, kahit na lalaki pa yan.
Wala siya gender.
Once I got back to my brother, I explained what I saw and what to do. We ended up talking to Jim about it and asked him what he was doing and if it was appropriate. He covered his entire body with a blanket, hiding, and said it wasn't anything inappropriate.
Ew.
I'm just not sure though. Am I reading too much into this?
No.
Or am I right to worry?
Yes.
I'm debating telling their mother, but since our relationship is absolute I'm just not sure if she'd even listen. Yun lang, mahirap. I've also considered just telling my mom about it and seeing what she says. I'm just not sure.
Wait lang, ilan taon yung guy?
10.
10 lang, di ba?
Si Jim, 10. Si Sarah, 3.
Tapos
10
meron
at
sila
three.
nangyayari sa kanila.
Hindi.
Hindi, parang
Kasi ngayon, parang nababysit siya. So parang, syempre, parang usually, parang pagka pinsan mo, parang wala lang, 10 tsaka 3, ganyan. Tapos may narinig lang siya parang
Yung
noise.
10 years old.
Oo, narinig nito, nung tawag
May
dito?
ginagawang something sa
Yung
3
OP,
years old
yung
Oo,
niya.
kasi iba yung sigaw.
Kapatid.
Napaka-unusual nung noise ni Sarah, yung 3 years old. So, umakyat siya, yun nga, nakita niya na hovering si
Ano sa
Sarah.
tingin nyo? Kasi parang
Wait, sino ba yung OP? Ano yun?
Curious.
Yeah, yung OP yung 10 years old?
Yung OP,
Yung
hindi.
OP yung
OP yung nagkukwento,
Hindi,
10 years old si Jim.
Yung babysitter.
Yung OP yung
Ah,
cousin.
okay.
Yung cousin na nag-babysit
Oo.
kay Jim, which is 10 years old. Tapos yung si Sarah na 3 years old.
Na magkapatid sila.
So,
Magkapatid
sabihin-
sila, pero pinsan nila yung nagkukwento.
Oh.
Oo.
So, wait, walang sinabi ko ilang taon yung OP, yung
Wala.
cousin.
Wala. Basta, nagbe-babysit siya, siguro.
Mga
mid-twenties.
malaki na yan.
Oh, for sure.
Oo.
Kasi aware eh.
Or hindi, mga 17, 18.
Teenager, ganyan.
Mga teenage years.
Grabe, no. It's either unaware yung 10 years old na kid na, alam mo
Or
yun?
curiosity.
Yun, curiosity.
Hindi, molesting, ano yun, child abuse
Or
yun.
alam nyo yun.
Baka alam
Kasi
niya
kung
na yun.
sinasabi naman
Hindi,
niya,
di ba
na
sabi,
narinig niya na may mga topic
sex
sila.
talk sa tatay.
Oo, normal thing na usap nila eh. 'Di ba?
So sa magulang
So,
ang ano.
Parang
ayun na.
kadiri pa rin. Parang
Sexual
sobrang
harassment.
Sad na nakakaano.
Kasi hindi alam nung 3
Yan.
years old eh. Bata lang
Oo,
yun eh.
syempre. Tapos
Oo.
may nag-comment, sabi, could you explain more about straddling her? Honestly, tell the mom it's horrible.
Oo.
He might have been molested and is molesting her now.
Yeah.
I don't know where you are. If you are in the US, you need to contact CPS.
Oo.
This may seem like nothing right now, but it would give her a lifetime of trauma, and you can be a
Yun,
part
tama.
and you can be a part in preventing that.
Tama.
Yun,
Tama.
yun, parang, o yun yung
Tapos,
nakita niyo yung umpisa nung ano, nakita niyo yung umpisa ng
Tapos,
child abuse.
May recommend.
And explain niya. nung
Ay, explain niya
mismong
pa?
OP, sabi
Okay,
niya. The
okay.
only way I can explain it is that they were in missionary.
Oh my
with,
God!
with clothes on.
Oh my God.
So I plan to tell her mother.
Anong plan?
So, ang-
Sabihin mo na, te.
Wait, sino yung nagmamolest? Ilang taon?
10 years old.
Yung nagmamolest?
Oo.
10 years old, marunong na mag-dry hump.
Oh my God.
Yun na nga eh.
Hindi, di ba? Ayun yung tawag doon.
Pero malaki niya 10 years old,
Kasi
di ba?
nga, di ba nga
Teen
sabi
na
nga
yun.
nila,
Hindi.
Hindi pa wala. Sorry.
Hindi sa kanila kasi sa story ng US, para pag 10, malaki na eh, di ba?
Oo.
Feeling ko meron siyang alam kasi nakalagay dito, I've heard him talk about sex with his father, so
Ayun.
I'm sure of it.
So, out of curiosity, kasi in-influence ng tatay.
Yan ang mahirap kasi sa US, porket lalaki yung anak mo. Eh,
Tapos
alam mo yun.
Hindi
Years
kasi may
old,
liberation
grabe.
talaga.
Pero
Yun sa
i-indulge
kanila.
mo
Hindi,
sa
sige,
ganun.
ano natin na nag-explore yung ano. Di may mga ganun mga sex education
Oo,
na
okay
ina-explore.
lang yun.
Pero too young pa yung 10 years old.
Para sa atin.
Tapos parang ginamit niya yung sister niya which is 3 years old.
Grabe. Isipin mo anak mo yun, parang, oh my gosh. Wag sa anak
Ang
ko.
sad, ang sad.
Sad talaga.
Ang tanong, alam ng magulang. Kung alam ba ng magulang. Ngayon, sasabihin pa lang, wala pang update. So, save natin yan kasi baka may update dyan. Kailan lang ba yan?
Hindi, ano
2 days ago!
2 days
21 hours ago yung, oh
Auntie
my
pa
God!
lang yun.
Bago
Sige,
na.
ilove mo, ano mo yan? Paano ba?
Sinave ko na.
First time on this podcast.
First time in this podcast. Baka,
Kaya interesting to, kaya talaga sinave ko to.
Interesting, oo. Yun nga. So yun nga, kailangan ng awareness talaga sa magulang. Kailangan na lang ano yun.
So, abangan natin kasi feeling ko may update yan.
Tsaka ito lang, be mindful about your kids.
Tama.
Laging yung papakinggan, kahit minsan nonsense, mas mabuting maging heard sila.
Oo.
Yun.
Tama. Okay, second story na tayo. So, nasa r/family issues pa din. Grabe yung una.
Grabe.
Ang
Parang,
intense
parang
agad.
akong nagulat talaga ako. So,
This is sobrang
Unang
controversial
episode
talaga.
ng podcast.
Totoo.
so yun, trigger warning, sexual
Trigger
abuse.
warning.
Sobrang controversial.
Kasi, yun nga, uncomfortable siya para sa ibang tao. Okay, next ay title, Seeking Advice. Found my dad has a secret second family.
Ganda ng mga nakuha ko, no?
Very common.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Charot lang.
Relatable?
Ha?
Oy,
Wala.
Chill.
Chill tayo dito.
Relatable sa ating mga viewers. Ating mga viewers and listeners.
Ako may kilala. Joke lang.
Okay, ready na kayo? Okay. Hi everyone! It's my first time posting here and using a throwaway account as I know my family uses Reddit and follow my usual account. Sorry if this starts out a bit long-winded. I, 19-year-old male, grew up on the east coast of Australia and this year moved to the other side of the country to attend university. I'm usually a fairly quiet and shy person, so I saw this as a good way to try and push myself to be a bit more outgoing. It's taken me a bit, but I've made myself some great friends here. A good number of our group, international students from Singapore and Malaysia, so Asian siya.
Ay, hindi.
Ay, hindi.
Yung
Hindi.
mga friends niya,
Yung mga
kasi
friends
from
niya.
Australia
Oo.
siya.
The other day, we were chatting about our families back home. And one of the guys in the group who was born and grew up in the city mentioned his dad's really unusual name. I found this interesting because my dad also happens to have the same really unusual name.
Asian ba siya na nasa Australia?
Hindi, nasa Australia siya.
Pero
Pero yung hometown niya.
Ano
Ngayon,
yun?
Parang wala siya sinabi.
Wala sinabing anong race
ay,
niya.
nakalagay.
Pero I grew up on the
I
East
grew up
Coast.
on the East Coast of Australia.
So,
Hindi
okay.
natin alam
Hindi
kung
natin
Asian
sure
siya
or
or
what.
Kasi unusual name eh.
Pero I grew up eh. Hindi
So, baka Asian.
Sige,
Sorry,
sige,
sige.
sige,
Hindi
tingnan
natin
natin.
sure.
Hindi natin
Okay,
sure.
ulit.
Basta yung friends niya, Asian.
Oo. I found this interesting because my dad also happens to have the same really unusual name. We're both as close to 100% Australia as you can get.
Oh.
Our families have been here for many generations.
Oh, ay di Australian.
Australians talaga.
Australian.
siya.
Okay.
When we realized dads have the same really When we realized our dads have the same really unusual name, we decided to pull up pictures of our respective families, and to our shock, they were the same person.
Grabe yun, siguro ako yun.
What?
What?
Like both photos had the same man, but different woman/wife/mother and
Ala.
different kids.
Grabe.
We were both speechless. I didn't know how to process what we found out. My dad has always traveled a lot for work. He works as a salesperson for some sort of IT service company. He's usually away for 2, maybe 3 weeks of each month, and has been for as long as I can remember. While he is away, he would still call my mom every night and never gave us any reason for concern.
Effort?
Ayun na yun.
Grabe yung effort mo. Habang nasa ibang
Oo.
pamilya ka, tawag ka pa. Grabe.
Hindi, parang hindi nga maano yung yung illusion na...
Consistent
Consistency ba
sa pagiging cheater.
Okay, after finding out this revelation, I called my mom as soon as I got home and asked some questions about where he travels to. Turns out, it's almost always the city I'm attending university in. Though ever since I started university here, he hasn't not had to travel and said that he has been able to get a local person to take his clients here.
Wow.
I'm stressing out and don't know how to process what I've learned. How can I approach my dad about this? I need to know if this is true and really has another family here that no one knows about. If this is true, then it's been going on for my whole life. It would destroy my mom and younger sister if this is real.
Ay, hindi niya pa sinasabi?
Hindi pa alam. Hindi pa alam.
Actually, totoo na. Kasi may picture
Totoo
na
na
eh.
Oo nga, kasi nakita niya na nga.
Oh,
di ba
wait,
yung-
usap.
Okay,
Wala
comment
pa
ba to?
update.
Comment to.
Verdict.
Grabe! Kung totoo yun.
Totoo yun. Kasi may picture na
May
eh.
picture.
Ano pa bang pruweba doon? Diba?
Tapos baka yung friend niya yun, believe na believe, oh, tatay ko to. Tatay ko to.
Kaya niya siguro sinasabi na parang,
Wait lang,
this is...
walang reaction yung isang ano.
Siyempre meron yun. Pero ito kasi yung OP,
Oo,
reaction niya,
totoo.
side niya.
Kumbaga parehas silang shock.
Ano kayang point of view nung
Tatay?
kapatid? Nung kapatid?
Nung kapatid.
Isa.
Nung half
Ang depressing nung sa kanya nung nalaman niya yun. Kasi parang cheater pala yung tatay
Tatay
ko.
niya.
Oo.
Na hindi niya alam.
Walang nakakaalam sa kanila.
Oo, wala
Parang
kang
ang
alam.
silver lining nun, parang, di ba friends sila nung ano, so brother niya yun.
Oo.
Ay, oo
Oo.
nga.
Di ba?
Yeah. Pero alam mo kung ako yun, parang, alam mo yung nakakatuwa kasi may kapatid ka, pero at the same time, nakakalungkot kasi ganun yung situation.
Sa nanay niya.
magka-age sila, di ba?
Hindi, magka-age sila nung nagpakitaan ng
Wait,
ano.
magka-age sila?
Magka-age sila nung...
Walang sinabi. Walang sinabi.
Hindi, kung kaklase niya.
Sabi niya
or
ay
friend
19.
niya.
Ay, ano siya?
Walang sinabi.
Friend.
Pero,
Walang sinabi.
Male
Parang-
19.
Kasi friends niya, tapos parang
Same
siguro
age group.
ka-age.
Same
Male
Kasi
19 siya.
So, nung time pa lang niya.
may ginagawa na ulit.
Oo.
ang tagal na panahon na sila
Grabe.
nilolo ko.
What
Oo.
if stepfather nung kaibigan niya?
Ay,
Yung tatay
pwede
niya?
din, pero hindi
May chance.
dapat is-specify nung OP na
Oo.
stepfather nung friend ko to.
Yun lang.
Okay
Sana may
lang yun.
update.
Hindi, kahit na.
Tingnan natin yung comment.
May comment pa naman, tsaka ano ba yan? Matagal na ba yan?
Ilang years na yan?
Matagal na yan.
3 days.
3 days ago.
Updated kayo.
Yes.
So, lahat, ano?
Yung mga kinuha ko kasi parang...
Okay yun,
ano,
okay yun.
Hindi, nasa new ano siya.
Oo, new.
Kanina
Hindi siya
nakita
sa
ko eh.
best.
Ang tanong, is it real or gawa-gawa lang?
Yun.
Yun, meron din dyan mga nakakapasok
Baka
na
ano,
fake.
ayun nga, baka fake story.
Pero kung totoo to,
Kasi
Ay,
yung
grabe,
Wow.
small
Detail.
world talaga.
Small world.
Sobrang small
Hindi,
world
it's
talaga.
either, so, anong nangyari?
Mind blown.
Nag-cheat si daddy niya
Si Zaddy.
sa another Australian girl. So,
Ah.
ang bobo kasi same country. Di ba?
Actually, yung daddy niya yung Australia.
Eh, di ba,
tingin ko,
maliit
tapos
lang
parang
yung
Asian
Australia. So, parang,
Hindi, kayang-kaya yun.
Ay, di ba malaki?
Sa Australia yung pamilya nito nag-OP, tapos pumunta ng Malaysia.
Hindi.
Singapore,
Pareho siya ng
diba?
international student.
Oo.
Ay, saan?
Namatay yung ilaw. So, ito na nga. So, pinatayan kami ng ilaw. Hindi naman obvious.
Pero at least, yung recordings lang naman yung kailangan nyo.
Yep. Yung stories yung mahalaga. We're still diving
Yeah.
sa Reddit
Diving,
stories.
deep diving.
Deep diving. And,
So, going back.
going back.
Going back,
So,
going back.
dito tayo. Tingnan natin yung mga comments dun sa pangalawang Reddit story. Yung found my dad has a secret second family.
Wait, sorry. Ano mo na yung mga thoughts niyo?
Yun nga.
Ayun nga, na baka mag-step, sila na, tawag dito?
Is it, stepfather?
Stepfather ni kaibigan niya, ganon.
Di sure, unsure. Kasi
Oo.
sobrang kulang.
Oo.
Kulang nung yung
Kulang yung
kwento.
mga
Oo.
details eh. O, ready na kayo?
Yun, ang yun yung mahirap sa mga Reddit stories. So, kulang details or hindi na intentionally hindi nila nilagay talaga.
Okay.
Ready.
Comment number 1. Yikes! What a terrible situation. I'm curious. Did your dad make any objection to you attending school in this town? Or try to get you to consider somewhere else?
Kaya nga, sobrang lakas ng loob ng
Kaya
dad.
nga eh. And what is the child from his other family hearing from him about not being around as much since you say he's not been to your current city as much? He needs to come clean to both families about this, but no matter what and how, it's going to be messy. Do you have the contact info for the kid you met? As hard as it sounds, you need to meet with your dad in private and give him the heads up that you know, hey dad, the strangest thing happened while I was out with friends. I met this person and we were talking about our families, and he has to be aware that some such thing is possible if he is actively avoiding coming to your current town as much anymore. You'll know from his reaction if he's willing to do the right thing and come clean. Hopefully he will. Good luck to you and your families.
Wow.
Tama.
So, confrontational.
Tama, yun naman lang talagang sagot niya. Kaysa naman malaman nung nanay sa ibang tao, di ba?
Oo.
Ang
Ay,
hirap
ayun
yan,
na nga,
katulad
nalaman na
nito.
nga niya.
Katulad niyan. At least,
Hindi, kasi
siya
ano,
hindi masyado masakit
Ang ano
eh.
doon, baka parang sa isip ng tatay, never to malalaman ng mga to. Hanggang sa mamatay
malayo,
ako.
parang-
Parang gano'n.
Nag-uumpisa yung childhood trauma.
Oo.
Na ano mo yung, paano yung psychology ng mga ganong kaedang tao? Paano na nagagawa yung
Yung
ganong
truth
mga
laging
bagay?
nagka-come out yan.
Diba?
Kahit
Paano
matagal.
nagagawa yung mga ganon?
Diba? Yung
Nakakatakot.
truth. Nakatakot talaga.
Hindi mo maintindihan kung bakit.
Time will tell.
Ba, hindi ka ba kontento sa asawa mo? Or gusto mo pareho? Mayroon ka?
Or you're
Diba?
just an
Saka
asshole.
paano mo na-endure yung ganung
Oo.
situation na
Paano mo nagagawa na na-attempt?
Kasi real life yun eh, no? Parang ang lakas sa loob.
normal naman fall out of love, pero
Huwag mong gawin yun.
yung umuwi ka, both sides. Alam mo yung okay lang na parang, nagkagusto ka dyan, parang tapusin mo na eh.
Oo.
Hindi ka na babalik eh, parang yung meron ka come up to your senses na ito talaga, yung para sa akin. Pero
Gets.
yung pabalik-balik ka, sobra, grabe. Sobra yung, at to think na nalaman nung mga anak nila.
Oo, sila pa ang nakaalam.
Small world, ha? In fairness.
Hindi, grabe, parang, hindi natin alam yung intention nung tatay. Eh, parang intention niya na parang, gusto niya ba? Hindi ba siya, parang nananawa na ba siya sa old family niya? Kaya siya nagawa ng new family. Di ba?
Hindi mo masasabi.
Or baka
May
gusto
comment
nilang
pang isa.
magparami.
Huwag naman sa ganung paraan.
May comment pa, te. May comment.
Okay, second.
Ay, nag-comment yung OP, hindi.
Hindi. Ano ba sino ba siya? Siya yun, di ba? Nope. So, second comment. You are not alone in this situation. My dad has had 2 families as well, but not at the same time. I found out about his previous family. Thank you! May ilaw.
Thank you sa ilaw.
Ano ba nagbukas?
My dad had 2 families as well, but not at the same time. I found...
Ay,
Okay.
binawi. Joke lang.
Samantala lang.
Joke lang.
Okay, go. I found out about his previous family, wife and 2 kids at his funeral. Namatay na lahat-lahat, hindi niya sinabi. Di ba?
Yun naman talaga lagi.
Wait lang, ano yan? Another story yan.
Comment.
Na,
Comment lang.
Pero another story.
Another thread dapat.
Doon na siya nag-ano din. Nag-share na din siya.
Siya na din siya.
Oo. So, needless to say, it added more shock to the loss.
Siyempre.
He was not there to ask questions and possibly get answers. It has been 18 years and I am still angry.
Kawawa na mawala siyang
In a
peace
way,
of mind.
in a way, tinakasan niya.
Oo.
Tinakasan niya yung ano, yung buhay. Saklap ng mga ganong tao.
Since your
Grabe.
dad is alive and well, you can just say, guess what? I made a friend with the same name as you. Isn't that strange?
Oh, subtle.
Siguro
Interesting.
sobrang nanginginig na yung tatay nila
Oo.
pag sinabi nila yun.
See
Or
if
baka
he
pala
says-
mukha.
See if he says
Ganon.
anything. Call him in a few more days and add to that conversation that your friend showed you pictures of his family and there he was in the photo. Again, leave the door open for him to fill in the
Tama.
information. If he says nothing, I would say, look, I know what you have been doing when you travel and your other family. Tell me why. These are some of the questions I would say to my dad, but slightly different. I don't know why people do this, nor why they think they will never get caught. It just so fed up. I am sorry.
Oh.
Pero ako, para sa akin kung ako yun, nangyari yun sa akin, dadalhin ko na lang siya sa bahay. Agad, Dad! Diba? May bago akong kaibigan. Siya nga pala si ano, bakit kinakabahan ka? Di ba?
Dapat silang dalawa mag-tandem. Hulihin nila yung tatay nila.
Tapos tingnan nila kung anong reaction ng dad nila. Pagpasok nila sa bahay, siguro masama na yun.
Nanginginig na yun.
Tapos biglang,
Shit.
wala mo yun siguro.
Daughter.
Hindi, ang ano doon, ang parang,
Actually, male ata sila eh. Hindi ba?
Male.
ang endgame doon, parang, madadamage yung family.
Ah,
Both
syempre.
sides
Sobra.
talaga.
Kawawa.
Nadadamage.
Damage na nga eh. Damage na talaga.
Hindi nila ramdam.
Sobrang blindsided. Blindsided sila.
Doon lang nila na sobra pala yung cheating nung tatay niya. Sobra yung ginawa sa family. Ang pinakamasakit doon sa nanay talaga niya.
Syempre.
Sobrang niloko siya throughout the years.
Kung totoo to.
San?
Kung totoo to, sobrang.
Ayoko maging sana. Kasi parang
Sama.
ang selfish naman natin.
Na-i-wish na totoo.
Story-wise, sana totoo. Sorry-wise.
Sorry, why sana totoo.
Story-wise! Kasi parang fake, ang corny naman.
Ayo.
So, next story for today.
Next story. Nahiya ako.
Ang reader naman natin ngayon ay si
Kung maganda yung boses.
Ham.
Okay lang yun, balik ko.
Okay, game. Rinig ba? Okay,
Rinig ka niya.
okay. Ito yung
Tanong
title.
mo, rinig nyo ba siya?
Tingnan mo sobra.
Hindi, mahina lang yung boses ko.
Okay, ito yung next, r/family issues. Should I be angry at my family for going on trips without me? Okay, game. I'm conflicted on how I should feel about the situation. On one hand, I know they aren't obligated to take me with them, but on the other hand, it absolutely sucks being left out like this. It makes all my thoughts and feelings of being unwanted more true. And having to hear about how much fun everyone else had just makes me want to cry and lock myself up in my room like a child. But instead of doing that, I just smiled through it. I keep telling myself that I don't have the right to feel this way, that I should be happy if they're happy, and for a while it works. Until I hear that they are going on another trip. I hate that they are leaving me out, and I hate that I hate it. It makes me feel like a monster that hates on others' happiness. I know some people can get stuck in their own perspective, so I just wanted to hear some thoughts on this.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
Grabe naman yun.
Grabe.
Anong reason?
Sino magulang yung kayang gawin sa anak mo kahit anong pagsama ng ugali ng anak mo?
Oo nga eh.
Pero ito lang insight. Siguro may rason yung parents.
Hindi pa
tayo
din eh,
sure.
no.
Hindi tayo sure pero alam mo naman.
Kasi side
yung
ni
reasoning
OP
nung-
yan eh. Side
ano
ni
yung
OP.
reasoning ng parents na hindi ka dapat kasama? Kasi sa social culture yung sa family culture ng Pilipinas iba hindi yung ganto na iwan ka lang kasi ayaw namin sa'yo.
Hindi tayo.
'Di ba?
Kahit anong ayaw mo sa pamilya mo, basta isasama natin
Oo.
talaga.
Sa kanila parang
Bakit?
paano nila
Ilan
sa
taon?
walang sinabi
Wala.
walang details. Ang doon parang paano nila sinabi na hindi ka kasama? Parang
Yun ang-
Hindi,
kasama
it's either hindi nila pinansin na,
Ang weird
oy,
nun.
tayo lang, ganun. Yung
Ang
nga sabi niya,
weird
di ba, bigla na lang, ay, may lakad pala tong mga to. Ganun.
Pero ang sakit nun. O, naiintindihan ko siya. Na
Yun lang yun?
talagang
Eh,
yan.
may mga comments. So,
Ah, hindi, I mean, yun lang yung story.
Yun lang yung
mo.
pinaka-story. Okay, comments. Ito
Dami yan,
Expected
18
natin
comments
tatanong
yan eh.
first.
First comment.
How old are you? That is a crucial part that has been both left out of your post and is a critical part in.
Baka bata.
Whether or not you are
Grabe yun.
whether or
Hindi,
not
lalo yun,
Hindi.
pagbata.
Hindi iiwan yun
baka ano
pag
na
bata.
siya, Baka mga
20s.
20 plus, 20s.
Ah.
Kasi di ba,
Yung mga pwedeng iwan.
bakit
Kulong ka
sa atin
nun.
normal naman yun na. Parang pag
Okay.
20s ka, anytime ka na pwede iwan. Parang choice
oo.
mo na, parang choice mo kung gusto mo sumama or hindi rin.
So may grudge yung family sa kanya.
Oo, yun.
Okay, ito na to. Complete ko na
Possible.
yung comment. That's a crucial part that has been both left out of your post and is a critical part in whether or not you are the asshole without age. The context is skewed in your favor simply because it paints you as a victim. But age is a huge thing. Yours, your siblings, your parents' ages are crucial when it comes to being in the wrong or not. So, nag-reply si OP. Nag-reply si OP. Sabi ni OP, "Hi, I just turned 17 on May. Sorry for not including that in the post. I was doing more ranting than actually giving details. But I have 2 older siblings that go 21 and 20.
Ay, ang lapit
And
lang.
3 younger siblings that are 15, 10, and 8. So,
Oy.
6 sila.
So nalilive out siya?
Please let me know if you want to know anything else. I'm posting here and not asking my friends because I wanted an unbiased and truthful
Tama.
opinion even if it's one that hurts."
Pero tama yung nag-comment.
Nag-comment yung other be angry, be very 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 angry. That is not only exclusion but isolation.
Oo.
If you have been older, say 20ish, that would been different.
Oo.
But the 2-year difference between you and your next sibling,
2
no.
years nga, 2 years.
Be angry. They did that shit on purpose and they didn't give 2 shits whether or not it would hurt you.
Ito yun eh. Alam mo, feeling ko either adopted siya or anak siya sa labas.
Oo.
No.
So, meron siyang parang hatred yung
Family.
Ang weird, parang hindi. Feeling ko kung hatred yon is either parang
Hindi tayo sure, unsure tayo eh.
Walang sinabi.
Sobra. Kasi parang may mga ganyang, may sa Game of Thrones, di ba? Si Jon, di ba?
Snail.
Dahil seryoso, di ba? Mali mo, may pero hindi dapat
bakit may mga ganong tao na parang adopted tapos ayaw nila doon sa in-adopt nila.
na-isolate nila.
It's
Ang weird nung
Baka,
ganon.
siguro,
anak sa labas
tayo
yan.
sure.
Anak sa labas.
Pwede din.
Pero kung anak sa labas yan, dapat may isang parent na gustong-gusto pa din.
Hindi, baka is either patay na yung parent.
Ay, wala sinabi.
wala sinabi kung ano yung parent niya, isa lang ba or
Okay, nag-reply siya ulit.
Oh my God, ang active niya.
Sabi ni OP, "Part of me really wanted to be in the wrong because I hope that there was a good reason for them to be doing
Yeah.
this. But nonetheless, thank you for commenting and I'm still going to try to be an good older and younger sister to my siblings even when I get jealous."
wawa naman.
Oh.
Naiyak tuloy ako.
Okay.
Anong reason? Anong reason kung bakit siya nila-left out?
Ang sakit.
Ah,
Wala lang.
Okay lang yung girl.
eto. I am confused. Do you live with them? They just plan the trips and live without you?
Oo nga.
Kaya nga ito
Reply ni
Ayun,
OP.
kunwari, nandun siya sa kitchen,
Oo.
tapos sila lada sa isang bedroom.
Reply ni
ito
OP.
lang tayo
Ay,
lang.
reply ni OP. "No, I usually stay with my aunt. She's great and I kind of think of it like a sleepover. I watch
Nanay niya yung
aunt niya.
Di ba? Pinaampon lang nung aunt niya doon sa...
Yung aunt niya, nagkaroon ng anak ng maaga. Tapos,
Siya yun.
oo, yung aunt niya kunwari.
Grabe yung ano natin. No?
Yes,
Grabe natin
yes.
yung
Comments,
security.
comments, comments.
Grabe, no?
Kasi
Sabi
wala
natin
reason
nag-
Sabi ni OP, "I watch scary movies with my cousins and eat a lot of popcorn. I guess it is just sucks seeing the pictures they take and hearing them have fun without me. But my aunt always tries her best to see us having a good time."
Oh,
Uy, ang
buti na
nanay
lang
Diba,
niya
no?
yun. Nanay niya yun.
Grabe
naman tayo.
Hindi, bakit gagawin yung nanay, ikaw, nanay ka, ba't mo,
Hindi, minsan kasi meron talaga tayong safe place, katulad ng tita. Mas mahal tayo ng tita kaysa sa magulang natin.
pero ang weird nun, trip yun eh, family trip yun eh.
Kaya hindi pa rin tayo sure.
Di ba? I'll go.
Or baka pinampun siya doon sa tita niya. Ganon.
Sabi, have you tried to talk to them about it?
Oo.
Sabi, I have, but their response range from they don't have enough money to. It's not something for you to get too worked up over. You'll be fine.
Wait, wala silang pera para sa kanya?
Oo, tapos sabi,
Pero ang dami nila.
Ito.
sabi niya, don't you like your aunt?
Baka nga.
Oh my God. I am very sorry that they are reply. I am very sorry that they are disregarding your feelings. I will try to focus your time to the people that do the same to you. Try and find people that love you for who you are and want to be with you for who you are. Your aunt sounds like someone like that. There are plenty of other people out there in this huge world that you will also share connections with. Try to find gratitude in those people and relationship and cherish them.
Oo naman.
Maybe one day they will realize that what they did is wrong and hurtful. Maybe they won't, but you can focus your life on that and you will carry that hurt and anger.
Sabi nga nila, yung parang mapafund ba yung family, hindi lang sa bloodline eh. Kahit sa
Totoo.
friends, sa other relatives.
Oo nga, totoo.
Grabe. So,
Yun ah.
Pero
May
ako
mga
feel
comments pa,
ko,
pero
baka may
hindi na siya-
pinaampun siya doon sa aunt niya, ganon.
Pero bakit? Hindi
May
kasi may
something
mga
talaga.
family na ang dami, 'di ba? Pero okay lang like di
Hindi
ba?
kung hindi nyo afford, hindi
Pantay-pantay yung treatment,
cheaper
no?
trip, di ba?
Pantay-pantay.
Kung hindi nyo afford yung
Cheap.
trip.
ang weird lang kasi
cheaper
lahat ng
trip.
anak niya kasama except siya. Ano yun?
May something.
Ang weird dun kasi parang, bakit ako? Ba't ako yung napili nyo na kasi wala tayong pera,
Ano ba,
enough
may
na pera?
kapansanan ba siya? Or what?
Parang hirap kasi i-judge kasi siya sa side niya yun eh. Malay mo may problema sa kanya. Pero i-reason ba yon para i-left out?
Hindi, kahit mentally challenge or anything.
Hindi yun ibig
Ah,
ibig
ano
ko
ba?
sabihin. Parang baka may attitude, personal
Yun din
personality.
ma-assess kasi yung OP, siya yung nag-ano, si OP natin ma-assess.
Yun nga yung
talaga.
inaano nung unang nag-comment, di ba?
Oo.
Na parang, syempre, point
Bigyan
of
mo,
view mo yan eh.
bigyan mo kami ng marami pang context.
Oo,
kasi
yan.
hindi namin ikaw ma-judge. Di ba? Easily talaga.
Not to be biased, pero parang biased na nga yung kwento. Pero,
Oo, in a
Kasi
way.
siya yung
In a way.
nagkwento.
Oo.
Oo.
Ito sabi niya, I think I just have everyone being included and being involved, interested in your kid's life already makes you a perfect parent. But my parents have always been like this. My mother waited till I was visiting my grandmother to get married to my stepdad.
Ha? Ano? Ha? Sino yan?
Siya.
Oh.
All my sisters said that it was a small thing and my mom said there couldn't be too many people, I guess. So, di siya sinama sa wedding
Nino, wedding Nino.
ng stepdad niya.
So may stepdad siya.
Oo.
So ano nga?
Ay, anak siya nung
anak siya nung tatay
tatay.
na
Nung una.
unang asawa. Ay, unang asawa nung nanay niya.
feeling ko, oo.
Half.
Ay,
Hindi anak yun ng nanay.
half sister siya.
Oo, hindi siya anak ng nanay.
Kasi
Baka
obviously
siya lang
naman,
yung ano.
obvious yun.
Ayun
Anak
nga.
yan dun sa
Possible
unang...
na.
Ba't siya iiwan, di ba?
Ang sakit.
Pero kahit na may half ano ka.
Maging honest na lang.
Parang ang ginawa nung nanay, it's if ganun nga yung situation, parang, ay hindi kita anak, ba't kayo sasama? Di ba? Parang ganun yung nangyari.
Parang
If
yun
ganun
yung pinapa-feel. Yun yung pinapa-feel
Hindi,
nila.
yun talaga yung ginagawa.
Ah.
Yun yung nafe-feel niya.
Jon Snow.
Jon Snow.
Legit.
Di ba?
Kung alam lang
Yung
nila.
parallel.
Nakakainis.
Oo nga,
Targaryen
no, Jon
yun.
Uy! Uy, spoiler alert. Sobrang tagal na.
Spoiler.
Wow.
Wow. So for the first episode, marami
Family.
tayong
That's our
natake.
Reddit for today.
Ang dami nating
So
natatake
ano
na.
yung favorite niyo na story dun sa tatlo?
Ako yung last.
Ako
Kasi
yung
ang dami nating na-conclude na possible na
Na-left out siya, ganyan.
bakit ganon.
Pero grabe din kasi yung last no? Sobrang...
Ako interesting sa akin yung ano eh. Yung,
pangalawa.
hindi, yung una,
Yung sa tata,
disturbing.
second family.
Disturbing. Pero yung
Sexual
mysterious, yung
Pangalawa.
pangalawa.
Pangalawa, mysterious sobra.
Kasi tatay ba
kailangan
nila?
natin
Wala
update
bang
doon. Wala.
Wala na.
2 days ago.
Wait tayo, mag-wait tayo. Nakasave naman yan.
Ito pala
Baka-
ay
baka naman may
27 days ago to.
Oh, yun kasi 3 days ago lang. So,
Wala pa to.
possible pa yan.
Hindi na siya respond si OP, wala na.
Sana mag-response pa siya. Kailangan natin na update.
Kailangan na update.
This is our first episode.
First episode.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo.
More Reddit stories
More
to
Reddit
come.
stories.
As in, kasi marami pa dyan eh.
Tapos next time, kung hindi man Reddit yung magiging topic namin,
Mga
yung
personal. Yung
Kasi yung mga ano
nonsense
sa
stuff.
life and stuff. Yeah.
Right? Right?
Okay,
Like
thank
us.
you. Okay,
Like
Wally.
us somewhere.
Yan ang ating aabangan sa next episode.
Maraming abangan.
Marami kayong abangan, for sure.
Okay.
Exciting kasi first time mag-podcast.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye, guys. Oh my God.
Oh my God!